Instacart update, right? Like, I'm just so tired of Instacart's updates. If anyone else is tired of their updates, please let me know. Am I the only one that's tired of these freaking Instacart? Just delete the updates. Just stop updating. Stop. Just no one wants your update. If this video gets a ton of views, maybe Instacart will see it. So like the video. Like the video when I say this if you agree. Instacart, stop updating the app. None of us like it, okay? Instacart, listen, we don't like it. Look, I'm talking for all the shoppers that like this video. We do not like your updates, okay? So stop updating the app. Just fix the bugs, just get rid of the bots, and stop updating the app. Have you ever heard that saying, don't fix something that isn't broken? Stupid. Like, what are you fixing? Like, what are you fixing? It was fine 2 years ago. Instacart was fine. The only thing y'all need to work on is deleting bots. Get rid of the bots and give us more money. Get rid of the bots and give us more money. One more time. Get rid of the bots and give us more money. Okay, so I had a few people ask me to just make a video on this, and listen, I don't look, if you guys have noticed, like I'm not that type of YouTuber. Like, I'm here, I just like having fun, spreading good loves, good energy, good vibes. That's what I'm here for. But I've gotten so many requests to make this video on my thoughts about this update stuff. So here it is. So I guess Instacart's new update, we get to shop multiple stores now. Here we go, Instacart, one of your grand ideas. Thanks a lot for the update that we all didn't want. Stupid. But this is what's happening. Shop multiple stores. Batches can now include orders for multiple stores. Okay? Multiple stores means a better use of your time. You'll have the opportunity to earn more money in less time when you shop batches that include orders from multiple stores. Lies. Lies. Just like any other company, is a company that wants to make a lot of money. And they want to keep making money. So obviously, they're going to do something that's in their best interest, which is, why don't we put multiple stores together now? What does that mean? That means that you shop at one store, you get the groceries for that store, and then when you finish that store, you drive to another store, you shop that store and get the groceries for that store, and then you deliver those groceries to both customers or the same customer if that customer ordered from both of those stores. Now here's the big problem with all of this. Number one, and I've heard other YouTubers talk about this and they're absolutely correct, frozen items, like Instacart. Like, I mean, if you're gonna do something like this, you might as well send us some installable freezers that we can plug up inside of our cars and so that the items stay cold, because I'm not trying to get dinged. I'm not trying to get a bad rating because I'm delivering melted ice cream, because the freezer bags ain't keeping ice cream. Like, there's no way. I don't care there's no freezer bag on earth that is going to keep the ice cream and the ice or whatever, like, the right temperature for a whole nother shopped order at a different store. Stupid. So now Instacart, what you telling us is we should keep our ACs on while we shop the other store, huh? Are you gonna pay us for more AC energy? Because we're gonna have to keep our ACs on. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, if we go shop at one store, get some ice cream, because everyone's gonna start ordering ice cream. It's about to be summer. Everyone's gonna be ordering ice cream. So we go shop ice cream. Then we gotta go to another store and shop that entire order while the ice cream sit in the freezer bags in the car in the heat in the summer. So we gotta leave our ACs on. I mean, if we don't, it's gonna just be milk when we come back. Everything's gonna be liquid when we come back from shopping the other order. Stupid. So Instacart, are you guys gonna pay us extra? Y'all gonna pay us extra, right? Because we gotta leave our ACs on. Okay, and besides that, another reason why this just sucks is because what they're gonna do is, what I think is going on here too, they know, they're like, hey man, you know, everybody likes bunching up at the same stores. Everybody likes Costco. Everybody likes Wegmans, or everybody likes Publix. So whatever the store is you guys shop, that is the store. You know, you guys know, whatever zone you're in, you know the store that all the shoppers like and gather up. And you got like a pool of Instacart shoppers at the same store, just swiping away, trying to get the best batch from that store. I mean, I guess Instacart's like had enough. They're like, you know, everybody just wants to shop one store or the same store. So you know what? We're gonna start putting that store with other stores. And I'm telling you, like, this is what's gonna happen. So we're gonna start having to shop stores we don't like. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to shop this store over here. That's why I never go over there. That's why I've never done a batch there. I've tried one time and it was devastating and I will never go back. But now they're gonna make that store cling along with the other stores that you actually like because nobody is shopping those. I mean, that's what I think's happening too. So I think that's one of the reasons why they're doing it. Another reason why they're doing it, obviously they're gonna make more money. So I didn't accept one of these orders yet. I actually did see one. I'll show you. I took a screenshot. I seen one, but I didn't accept it, right? And I'm gonna try one out just so I can prove the theory, right? I just want to see how it goes. So I will try one out. But I'm thinking now, you know, Instacart's gonna be able to save money now. Because how are they gonna charge us for the delivery? Like, we get base pay. Are we gonna get double base pay now? Does that mean we're gonna get double base pay? I didn't read that anywhere. Maybe that means and that's a good thing. That's a good thing if we get double base pay, but it still sucks. Yo, a lot of people are gonna mess up. People, you know, certain things are gonna get delivered to certain people. Certain items might get delivered to the wrong. Like, it's gonna be crazy, especially if you got 2 stores and 2 customers. Like, it just might get crazy. A lot of stuff can happen there, but I mean, it is what it is. I don't like it one bit. Stupid. That's my whole thing about this multiple store thing. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this, if you like it, if you don't like it. And I'm sick of Instacart doing these daggone updates. Just stop. Instacart, listen to me. Listen to me, Instacart. Listen to me, Instacart. Stop updating the app.